Okay guys, got a 1955 Pontiac Safari wagon here. Just a beautiful restored Safari wagon, and it is for sale. No price on it here, and the owner is not around at the moment, but beautiful interior in the car all around. Headliner, look at those chrome bows in there. Just like the Nomad. I don't know what he wants for this car, but I guess it'd be a pretty penny. Love it. Like those waterfalls above the taillights there. Just like the Nomad, that beautiful tailgate, all the chrome in there. A lot more chrome than what a Nomad would have, but basically the same car there. Well, I shouldn't say that. I say that, guys, you guys find a lot of things that I don't know about these cars. Like, looks like possibly sliding rear windows there. Again, another shot of the interior there. Really nice there. Engine's all what I'd call original Pontiac Strato Streak. I don't recall seeing that before, but nice car. I think you saw the phone number. You can call this guy and see what he wants for. Okay, guys, again, here, this is the kind of stuff I dig right here. Kind of original, only original once. 1955 Chevrolet two-door wagon, 235/6. Got the original hubcaps. Wow, what a cool Survivor car. Neat car, super cool. Love it, love it.
I talked to the owner on this car here. Real nice family, local folks. Their uncle had bought the car many, many years ago. I think they were the second owners on it. Now he's the third. It's got one repaint, but just a great Survivor car. His uncle took very good care of it.
All right, here comes our 55 wagon with the 235, 3 in the tree. Looking good, buddy. It's a cool car, super nice.
I talked to this gentleman who had this 1961 Pontiac Catalina. He was from Klamath Falls, Oregon. This car had low miles. I believe it was in 43,000 miles. 8-lug wheels, bubble top, great color. Condition of the car was just incredible. He also had a Catalina two-door post with a 4-speed parked next to it. Neat cars. I believe this is a 1950 Oldsmobile 88. This was a very nice example of a 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Basically a real nice stock car other than wheels and tires and lowering on it and some dress-up items, but very nice car.
Beautiful 1972 Olds Cutlass 442. Just really a nice example. Automatic air shifter in there. Beautiful steering wheel. Just a super nice car. You don't see too many custom 1970 AMC AMXs. This is one of the few, and looks good. They pulled it off. I think it came out pretty nice. Beautiful restored Datsun 1200 320 pickup. Yeah, looks like it's got a later model engine in here. Just beautiful. Here we got a 1966 GTO. Modified. It's got the blue fenders, inner fenders, that sort of stuff. But pretty much an original looking car on the outside, other than a few mods. Oh, holy smokes, got some huge exhaust pipes there on the back of it. Rally wheels painted blue and silver there. Just fantastic interior. Really a nice car. Okay, you got a 1984 Olds. I would say 442 Hurst Olds, number 219 of 1500 T-tops, built in 1984. Nice looking car. Is that yours? Yeah. Yeah, I like that car. Got the Hurst shifter in it there.
That's the way I am with you. I'm mobile repair. Yeah, I do the same thing.
Neat car. get out of here. These boys are getting a little crazy. Later.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video at the Junction City Car Cruise in Junction City, Oregon. The first time I'd been there, yeah, it was a great show there. If you would, please hit the like button and maybe that subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage.